Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making the ultimate quarantined kava recipe. And this recipe is best for immune boosting, also because it's coronavirus, so you want something that will really prevent it. Okay, this recipe is inspired by my nani, who used to say that if you have a sore throat, you should have a spoon of honey, warm honey, along with a pinch of black pepper and ginger. If you don't have powdered natural ginger, you should add powdered ginger. But that should be drank as a syrup, and it's really good for sore throats. And it is also inspired by some ingredients that I saw on Google that are really good for boosting your immune system. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon TAPAL's lemongrass green tea, and honestly, I love the smell of this. Like when you smell it, it just smells amazing. And also because this is lemongrass, I'm not going to be adding in lemons separately, and you guys should really buy this, and honestly it has the best smell and taste ever. Okay, apart from this, we are going to be needing 2 cups of water. This much is enough for the whole family because normally Arabs and people from Lebanon, they have this after every meal, and it's only taken like this much of a cup, and it's enough for your whole family. Apart from this, we're going to be needing 2 teaspoons of honey or shahid, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is elaichi, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of kalonji or black seed. Okay, I'm going to add in the water, and I have a pot here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in our water into this. Okay. And I'm going to add in our cinnamon powder into this. Ginger powder. Cardamom powder. Black pepper. And kalonji or black seed. And of course, our lemongrass green tea. Okay, it's time for honey. Okay, for this, it's important that you use organic honey and not fake honey. You do not want to be using the one with sugar in it. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the stove back here. And you know when you're making tea, you want it to be like that. You want it to come to a boil. Okay, so I'm just going to let it become like tea when you're. Now that it has come to the boil, I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to bring this to our counter.
This immunity booster drink is really good for coronavirus.
Okay, that's here. Okay. You can see the honey has given a brown color, and it looks beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the kava now into this thing, into this pot, and I'm just going to do that now. Now that it's done, I'm going to cover this for around 5 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. 5 minutes and the kava is ready to serve now. You can keep the strainer there. I'm keeping the strainer so that none of the lemongrass kava comes there. Wow. You can see the brown color. It looks beautiful. And honestly, I can smell it till here, and it smells amazing.
Okay. Nice glasses.
Yeah. And there you have it, your immune boosting lemongrass TAPAL kava is ready. And honestly, it smells amazing. Like I can smell it till here, and it smells amazing.
I'm gonna drink.
Yeah. And you guys should really try this at home. And whoa, look how beautiful that looks. You guys should really try this at home, and also because of coronavirus and you really want to stay safe and boost your immunity. So do this recipe at home and try it, and you will love it. I know that. And it's best for having before you sleep or after dinner, and honestly, I love this. Please try this recipe at home and give this video a big thumbs up. If you like this recipe, tell me in the comments down below. And if you do it at home, tell me that too. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!